All right, welcome to Stock Talk. This is Scott, your host. We're going to take a look at the market today. Looks like the market has been having a little issues this morning. At one point in time, we were down as much as 500 points, 529 points, I think, at the low. As you can see now, we're going over to Yahoo Finance, and we do see on the Dow 30 here, we're down 367 points as of the current time. Gold and silver's up. That's the kind of thing, or was up. Silver's down now a little bit, but that's the kind of thing you see on down market days. Gold and silver kind of goes the opposite of the market a lot of times. Let's take a look at our portfolio, the Stock Talk portfolio watch list that we built last night. We'll go ahead and pull that up. Remember, we added the four tickers to it: MPC, EXAS, CLF, and ACB. Those are the four we were on track. And I was hoping this morning we could sell three of the four. But since the market's down so far, we probably won't be selling anything today. We're going to just kind of watch them. Now, what I do want to do, and I did mention this in last night's video, that I want to cost average down on that MPC. MPC's at 53.12 right now, down 2.5% right now. It was down much further in the morning, but my holdings now are down about 7%. So I want to cost average those down. That's the game plan. So let's pull up. Let's just take a quick look at the chart all the way across here. You can see all of them's down. Usually looks like we've got a couple down by 1% or so. Couple by percent. This one's actually down by 4%. This one 2.5%. So we've got some that are down. If you range charts, you can see MPC recovered a pretty good bit. EXA recovered. Cliffs recovered, and ACB is kind of down in the middle there. 52 weeks, same old. They're towards the lows of the 52 week. You see the little charts here, the little red charts. They've been red all day. No green to those whatsoever. So let's pull up MPC, take a look at the chart. I do want to put a cost average order in. So let's take a look at where to do that. Why do I want to do that? Where to do that? This, of course, is the daily chart you see here. Started at kind of low this morning. This has recovered and is holding up pretty well now. But I do want to look at it. Usually when I'm doing, before I buy any stock, I look at a 5-day chart. I'm looking for some kind of downward trend on a 5-day chart. Let me get that pulled up for us here. There it is. You do see we had a plateau here, and we had a fall off for about 3 days here. So I do see a downward trend. I know it's a downward trend because I'm already holding these anyway. So what I want to do now is I want to pull up that year chart. And if you can see this year chart here, today's price 53.08. I'm kind of holding it there at 53.29. You'll see that line going all the way across, and you see some little areas of possible support there. But if it gets past this area here, it could be a fall all the way down here to this level here, which is $45. So. But I do still want to go ahead and cost average down. It might go as low as 52.47 before we have to worry about a whole lot as well. But take a look at the day range. The day range was 52.25, so it's already hit this level and gone through it once this morning. But that could have just been all it's going to do. It may be tending to go back up now. But I'm going to try to get it at that price. I'm going to try to get it to that 52.55. And if I can get it there, I'm going to just hope it doesn't go any further, but it could. If it does, I'll cost average down some more. But that's the game plan, to go pick up some shares, add it to my position. Why do we want to do that? You want to keep your price as low as you can, your cost average price as low as you can on a stock if you believe in that stock. That's very important. If you believe in that stock, if you know that stock. This stock I have traded for years. It has had its ups and downs over those years. I've held it sometimes as much as a year or more. As you can see here, you see this is a 5-year chart. And you can see it was up here at one time at 53.08, got all the way down here to $34 and something, and went all the way back up, all the way to a highway over here at $82 and something. So it does have ups and downs. As you can see, though, it's kind of, this is a kind of a range here. We're below that range of some support, and but we're going to get in there and try to cost average down a little bit more. But you want to keep that price, your cost average, as low as you can as it goes down. You cannot, and I'll say this 100 times, you cannot pick the bottoms and you cannot pick the tops. So when you first buy some stocks, more than likely you are not buying at the bottom. So you can expect another drop, and if it drops, you want to pick up some more. You don't buy all your shares at one time. Buy lots of shares and buy pieces of shares. That's what I do. I buy the piece of my shares. It goes down some, I'll buy another piece. It goes down some more, I'll buy another piece. Now, at some point, you got to quit buying pieces until you see what this thing's going to do. We're not there yet. I like to have a rule in my portfolio of, try to have no more than 10 to 15% in one stock of my entire portfolio. So 10 to 15%. 15% is okay. I don't like to get too high up there because I like to keep a good bit of cash on the side too, so I can keep making trades in days like today. All right, so that's what the game plan is. We're gonna go ahead and try to get an order in. It's very simple to do, to place that order, and so I'll be doing that as soon as we get off here, and I'm gonna put an order in for 52.25. Hopefully before the day ends, I'll pick that up. If I don't, we'll have another opportunity down the road, I'm sure. And if we don't, that means it's going up, and that's always good news. Okay? I hope you're liking these videos. I hope you are learning something. And if you decide to trade, jump in there. Take it slow. Take it easy. Leave me questions. Leave your comments. Don't forget to like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about the channel that are interested in trading or just learning about trading. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'll get back in touch with you probably sometime tomorrow. Have a great day.